Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Si JC ay pinanganak. Si Mami ay 43 na. Ibig sabihin ay ngayon po baby siya. So, akala namin tatlo lang sila. No? Pero by God's grace, dumating si JC.
After 3 decades, talagang kita mo naman ang ganda ng mga partner namin, ang gagwapo namin, ang mga macho namin. So the worst really came out for the best talaga. So inaabangan namin ang yung next journey. And itanong mo to na ito na yung pinaka-challenging but most dynamic and fun stage of your life, yung getting into marriage and talagang developing a life with Vanessa talaga.
Ang prayer ko is, of course, more blessings, good health, and wisdom sa mga big decisions na gagawin. Yun, alam ko yun how much you love si Mommy and Daddy, and how much you also sacrifice for them. So, ayun, and I think you deserve all the happiness and the blessings that the Lord can give. Love you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, and thankful din kami na family mo, second family mo, dahil sa kita nga namin yung love and care mo kay ate. At sana po maging center lang lagi ng relasyon niyo is yung po si Lord. And more happiness and blessings to come pa po. And happy birthday.
Si JC, pag dinadala ko siya sa group of friends ko and family ko, talagang lagi sila nag-feedback na sobrang great po ng partner ko.
Pagdating mo ng age na to, itong 40 to 50 na to, na parang may kulang pa yata yung ganun yung feeling ko na yung ginagawa ko sa buhay. So, a lot of men actually feel that, yung from wanting to be successful, biglang napapaisip na sila din, parang kalahati ng buhay ko tapos na. So, I pray that you will focus on knowing God's will even more. We're rooting for you, we're praying for you. Thank you sa pag-alaga sila Daddy and Mommy. I really pray that God's will for you will be even clearer for you. And when you follow Him, kahit na anong trials, anong struggles, anong pagdaanan mo, as long as you're alive, you know you're still in the center of His will. At hindi sana mayanig yung faith mo, instead mas maging stronger ka pa.
Thank you and praise God for JC for becoming a part of our family. JC, happy birthday.
Yes.
Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday again.
Sa tamis na dulot ng pag-ibig natin dalawa.